I'm Jack Knaub, and before I came to Dr. Steinley, I had some pain in my upper left abdominal region for about a year and a half that I was unable to find any good treatment or diagnosis for. I had been to my general physician, I've been referred to a GI doctor, I had a full cardiac workup to rule out heart problems, all kinds of CT scans and other x-rays and imaging studies to rule out anything real serious and any things like cancer, because I was concerned with that. And after about a year and a half of just going back and forth and getting all these images done, I kind of sought an alternative to just repeating those visits and getting more imaging done. And I had found Dr. Jason Steinley online, and I had made an appointment and came up and saw Dr. Steinley, and we talked about my problem. We took some pictures and images, and he came back to me and thought he might be able to help my problem. And so, as I was saying before this, I guess, appointment, I was having pain, on a scale of 1 to 10. It wasn't major pain, it was just pretty constant, maybe at a 4 or 5 on a scale of 1 to 10. And it was mainly, well, there was really no pattern to it, and that's what made it hard to diagnose or figure out. But after visiting with Dr. Steinley and doing some kind of chiropractic testing or kind of seeing what my body was responding to, Dr. Steinley said he thought he could help me. And so after about the first 3 or 4 months, I saw some immediate relief to that pain, mainly during my long car rides I have for work. I'm an outside sales rep, so I travel to Wyoming and New Mexico. I'm often in the car for 4 or 5 hours at a time, and those treatments for my back really brought my pain initially down to a more manageable level, and now we're probably a year, maybe a little over a year out from my initial visit, a year and a half, and I'm pretty much pain-free, except for some minor reoccurrences when I do go on a long trip or go for periods of time and I kind of don't do the exercises or don't spend time on my back arch. So mainly due to my own kind of relapses, I have some pain every now and then. But once I get back into treatment and start getting my exercises under control and start doing them more, it goes away. So my life has really drastically changed. I went from being worried about this every day and wondering why it couldn't be diagnosed and why am I in pain and why can't they find this pain, and it was really consuming me, made me worry for my children, made me worry for my wife. I mean, it was consuming me on a daily basis and really, I think, stressing me out. And that's all gone now. We know what it is. We're treating it. When it comes back, I know that we can fix it again and treat it and get it under control. It is a huge burden off of me. I feel like I can participate more in my kids' life, and I've got more energy and I'm doing more things. And really, like I said, it changed my life. So it's been an amazing experience.